Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you how to use the Vanishing Point filter in Adobe Photoshop. The Photoshop I'm using is 24.2. The Vanishing Point filter is useful when you want to layer images in perspective at an angle, such as painting on a wall, wallpapers, or changing the floors. We're going to start with this white room, and we're going to change the floor with this. We're going to put these paintings on this wall and put this image as wallpaper. First, let's do the floors. Drag the image on top of your room using the rectangular marquee tool. Select the image, copy it, then delete it. Select the now empty layer and go to Filter, Vanishing Point. A new window will pop up. Select the surface you want your picture to go on. If your grid is red or yellow, then it means that your plane is not correct. Hold the Control key and drag the corners of the plane until it turns blue. Once all is done, paste your image and drag it on top of the plane. Once this is done, you'll notice the image will layer itself at an angle. If the image is not quite right, like here, then Ctrl T and drag the image until you have the margins. Resize the image until you are happy with it. Press enter and you're done. Now, to make it look more natural, right click on the layer and go to blending options. Hold Alt. We are going to modify the underlying layer both on the black side and on the white side to get this window reflection showing, giving the floor a more authentic look. Under blend mode, change to multiply and you are done with the floor. For the paintings, we're going to repeat the select, copy, delete process and again access the vanishing filter. Now you will see your floor plane. Hover the mouse over the edge that meets the wall you need. Hold Ctrl and drag from the middle. The wall plane will instantly be made. Correct the plane again to fit the wall. Paste the image and transform it until you are happy with both the size and position of the paintings. Open the blending mode and select Drop Shadow. Here we're gonna play a bit of opacity of the shadow, make it softer at the distance of the shadow. You can change the distance and the angle by dragging with your mouse the shadow where you want it to be. Next, lower the spread, but increase the size to get the softer blurry edge. And done. Lastly, I want to put this image on this wall. We're going to repeat the same first step as the last two times. Once we get to the Vanishing Point window, instead of dragging the wall of the plane from the floor, we are making a new plane. The reason we are doing it is that we don't want this wood panel to be covered by wallpaper, and because the image will go on all three planes, like this. And we want to avoid editing the image too much. Once the plane is done, paste the image, transform it to fit if needed and press enter. Like the floor, we're going to go to blending options. Holding Alt, we're going to modify both the current layer and the underlying layer. Change the blending mode to multiply and your wall should look natural with grainy texture of the wall and a reflection of the window showing. This filter can be used to create amazing mockups for your project as well. That is it for this video. If this video helped in any way, why don't you smash the like and subscribe button and click on the bell button to be notified whenever I get a new video out. It makes a huge difference. I'll be forever grateful if you do so. My name is Mr. Famous and as always take care and I will see you next time. See ya.